Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Freshsales CRM permissions and roles export detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Freshsales CRM permissions and roles, start by logging into your Freshsales account. Navigate to the admin settings by clicking on your profile avatar in the top right corner. In the settings menu, locate and select the roles and permissions option. Review the roles and permissions currently configured in your account. To proceed with the backup, look for the export feature, usually located at the top right corner of the roles and permissions page. Click on the export button to initiate the export process. A dialog box may appear, presenting you with options like CSV or Excel format for the exported file. Choose the desired file format and confirm your selection. Once you confirm, the system will prepare the export, which may take a few moments. After the export is complete, a download link will be provided. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. Ensure you choose a secure location on your device for this backup file. After the download is complete, navigate to the saved file and open it to verify the contents. Check that all roles and permissions have been exported correctly. Store this file in a safe place, either on your local storage or a secure cloud service. Regularly updating your backup will ensure you maintain the most current permissions and roles configuration. Following these steps will help you effectively backup your Freshsales CRM permissions and roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.